Welcome to Mifratech. This is a model of power meter. In this one we have used Arduino Uno microcontroller, ESP8266, a current sensor, a voltage sensor and a load. Let's see the working. As soon as you power up the module, you need to connect to your Wi-Fi. When the ESP8266 connect to the Wi-Fi, the Blink app starts. Whenever you give the voltage supply to the voltage sensor, it detects and the values will be printed in the Blink app. Also, whenever you give a load across the voltage current sensor, the values changes. You can see the current drawing from the load is 1.9, around 2 amps. You can see I have removed the voltage sensor pin. The voltage is 0. If I connect to 3 volts, voltage will be 3. So this was the working. Let's go to the coding. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel, Mifratech eLearning.